Hello everyone, just over at the post doing some grass cutting, just making sure that the grass doesn't get too long. This was about 4 weeks I think since the last time I was at the post, but yeah, just getting everything cut, and that's the grass for another couple of weeks. Anyway, nice dry day today, and coming over doing my usual check just to make sure everything's okay with the post just after all the rain we've had. Everything is alright. In fact, what I will do is I will open it up on camera. So I will. So hopefully everyone is having a good Sunday today. It's a lovely day today here in Northern Ireland. No wind at all, as you can probably hear from my microphone. And it's been lovely and dry as well. And just the T-bar. There we go. And what do we like down there? No water anyway, nice and dry, which is always a good thing. And make sure this is moving okay. Yes, it is. So that's the upper air vent that was put in the 1970s, or in this case actually, in Portadown's case, it would have been put in the early 80s. As you can see, they didn't do the best of jobs with it. They just smashed a big massive hole. That just adds a bit more airflow in the post, and that goes down into the toilet area, and then there's another vent in the toilet, and then there's a vent in the bottom of the door, and then there's the one just there. So yeah, everything is in good nick. That's my connection for a generator if I want to put a generator on and run the post on 240 volt. Solar panel there is charging the post battery, and another solar panel is charging a spare battery. There's my little solar regulator there, and there's my modem, and then storage for all the bits and pieces for open days in there. So yeah, everything looking good, no problems. Although I have had a visitor over the wet period because they've left their muddy footprints all over the step. Nice muddy footprint there, there. So, and they kicked off a nice little bit of dirt off their foot as well. So if you're watching, thanks very much for that. That was very nice of you. Yeah, the post site is open because we do have a geocache here. And if you do want to come along and see the geocache, that's fine. But please don't climb all over the post and jump up and down in the hatch and things like that there. Just have a bit of respect for the site itself. And we have this interpretation board here if you want to come along and read a little bit about the history of the Royal Observer Corps, and read a little bit of history about the post as well. But yeah, very, very quick video just showing how the site looks. And a little friend came along to say hello. That is a dog, by the way. It's not a fox or a cat. Bit of a strange looking animal, but there you go. So yeah, post site looking well, and no problems to report. Alright folks, listen, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.